Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, I am going to be sharing with you some gel polishes that I received from Madam Glam. They reached out to me and wanted me to review some of their gel polishes. So let's just go ahead and get into the colors that I got and what is all included in the little kit that you get. So in the kit that I received, I got a base coat here. I got 3 colors, and the color that I got, this is Scarecrow. And that is what the color actually looks like here. I got the Harvest Party. This is what that looks like. And that's what the color looks like there. And as you can see, like I did do like one nail with this color here. And then the third color that I received was Evening Teal, and this is what that looks like here. And the color here on the top. And as you can see, I applied this polish to the rest of my nails. And last but not least, I received the top coat here. And also in the kit, I did receive a LED lamp, and this is what it looks like. It has Madam Glam on the front here. And I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera well, but it is a light pink color. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then all you have to do is just keep watching. So to get the best gel polish manicure and pedicure, you first want to prep your nail plate before you apply the gel polish. First, go ahead and push your cuticles back. Use a buffer to remove any shine from your nail plate. With a lint-free wipe soaked in alcohol, remove any dust or impurities. So I did go ahead and do this process off camera. So secondly, apply a thin coat of the base coat gel and cure it for 30 seconds under the LED lamp or 2 minutes under a UV lamp. Thirdly, apply a thin coat of soak-off gel polish of your choice to the entire nail, making sure to cap the free edge. You cure it for 30 seconds under the LED lamp or 2 minutes under a UV lamp, and repeat for full coverage if needed. For the fourth step, apply a thin coat of no wipe top coat or a regular top coat to the entire nail, making sure to cap the free edge. Cure it for 30 seconds under the LED lamp or 2 minutes under the UV lamp as well. So for the last step, just to finish off your nails and your cuticles and just to make your nails pop and look really, really nice, Massage them with a few drops of cuticle oil. Now, some of the mistakes to avoid while doing the manicure, don't get the gel polish on your skin or cuticles and cure it. That will cause the product to peel. Make sure you completely wipe away any excess gel polish from skin and cuticles before curing, and that is with each layer you paint on. Also, don't apply lotion or cuticle oil before polishing them. The gel polish does not adhere well to oily nail beds and will cause premature lifting and peeling of the polish. Also, what is really important, don't apply polish layer too thick. This will cause the gel polish to not cure properly. Each layer must be applied very thin so the LED or the UV lamp light can penetrate and cure the nail evenly. And also note that if you choose a darker color, it usually requires longer curing time than the lighter colors. Also, don't forget to cap the free nail edge. Capping the nail with each polish layer you paint on provides a protective seal around the tip and sides of the nail, where chipping and peeling usually start off. So overall, using this gel polish kit was fairly easy. The colors that I chose I really do like, and I am looking forward to trying out other colors that they have. I think my favorite color though is this teal right here. You know, just something different, something bright. I think it's very fall. You know, it is October. And the Harvest Party color right here is a great nude color. As you can see, it blends really, really well with my skin. And I can't wait to try this Scarecrow color. So yeah, overall, I am happy with the colors that I chose. And I do appreciate the fact that they did include the little LED lamp kit in here as well. So if you are interested in trying out these gel polishes, I will have a link in my description box. This link will give you 30% off on any colors that you do decide to try. And that is pretty much it for this video. I want to thank Madam Glam again for reaching out to me and sending me these nail polishes. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.